Hello everyone, welcome back to Build and Repair and Restore. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoy the content. If you do, make sure you give us a like, don't forget to subscribe, and you can also join the channel for exclusive content. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a quick update just to let you know how I've been getting on. It's been really busy. I'm going to start off with this wall here. This is the block wall that I built recently, and my first time rendering. You guys saw me rendering on the video, rendering in Dominica anyway, and this is the render drying off. So this is the following day. This is the other side, the bathroom side. So what I showed you before was the utility room side. This is now the side of the bathroom, which we made a bit larger. And just show you a little bit close up of what the sand and cement render looks like. So this is pretty much a finished wall here. We don't use multi-finish, and this is pretty much the finished wall. So we've also got, the guys are doing some more of the trowel texing. We're doing the living room right now, so as you can see, he's just laying it on at the moment, and then he's going to rub it down. So he's also been working on this area here in the hallway leading down to the kitchen, and he's also done the kitchen as well. So it's been a busy day. As you can see, it's all these sort of little sections where the beams are sort of in between these sections. I believe the downstairs of this house was built after this house would have just had lots of columns sort of supporting the house, and the sort of ground floor would have been built at a later date, which is quite common here. So that's why it's sort of not really designed to sort of line up with the columns. The walls are all over the place, but that's what it looks like has happened here. It's a little bit of trowel texting to do here. Now on the other side, which is where I've been most of the time, you can see this is the second house we're working on, which is 2 doors away. I've been putting down some plywood, getting ready for the tiling. So there's 2 floors here. There's a concrete floor and then there's a timber floor. So we've laid this plywood sort of over both of them. You can see the timber floor here, which is like half of the house. Just got to do inside the rooms, and the other half of the house is a concrete floor. So we screwed the plywood down on this side, and then when we got to the concrete side, we've used adhesive, stuck the plywood down, and we've also nailed it down with concrete nails, loads of concrete nails, so it's nice and solid. But this is what it's looking like. The painting is being finished here, and just got to continue laying this flooring down, and then once this flooring is down, then I can start tiling. So this will be a kitchen, and then there will be 2 bedrooms and sort of a living room. So also just showing you guys what the bedrooms look like. This is one of the bedrooms, which is sort of like a green color, and this is the second bedroom, which is sort of like a cream color. So the rooms have turned out really nice. I don't know if you remember what they looked like. This is a hurricane damaged home, pre or post hurricane, so it's come a long way. So next day we're back to the other house, just showing you what the guys have been doing. They just patched up some holes in the ceiling, and as you can see, the trowel texing is still going on. This is the living room, and the ceilings are looking a lot better. It's very hard to capture the sort of trowel text on the camera, but it does look really good. Now I've completed the laying down the timbers, and I've been tiling. So this is going to be the kitchen. This door is going to come off, so it's going to be sort of just a walk through from the living room to the kitchen. And I've been doing, as you can see, a lot of tiling. So I think this is actually 2 days worth of tiling. This is day 2 of tiling. There's so many different angles. There are a lot of walls that are not straight, so it was a bit of a nightmare to sort of plan the tiling out, but you know, it is what it is. So this is the trowel text finished. I've just popped back down at the end of the day to see how the guys have been getting on, and this is the finished trowel text. Obviously they've been doing some filling as well. This room has also been done as well. So we are ready now to start painting ceilings. As you can see, painting is already happening. Our guy here, he's painting the ceilings here, painting them all in white. So what we're going to do is paint all the ceilings in white, and anywhere there are any ceiling beams like this green one here, we're going to paint them all in white as well to match the ceilings. And then below the beams we'll be painting the color. So you can see this ceiling's been painted here as well. And the utility room has been filled, ceiling has been painted, and yeah, all bits that need filling have been filled. Also, all the door frames will be painted, they'll be undercoated and they'll be painted white as well. You can see a bit more concrete filling which has been done, some more concrete filling above the door frame, just a little bit of timber there as a template to sort of form the shape, and we're just doing some more sort of patching of concrete. So obviously the house had water damage. Some places the concrete was blown, or the render was blown, so we're just sort of repatching that with cement, and then we sort of give it a skim or filler to smooth it down. You can see we're doing around the window after replacing this window. And this is going to be the kitchen, so we're just getting it all ready so that we can paint it. Now this is day 3 of tiling. I've been doing most of the tiling on my own. Once in a while one of the guys pops up to give me a little hand, but typically I've been doing all the tiling on my own. So this is day 3 of tiling. As you can see, the 2 bedrooms have been done. All the skirting boards need to be painted. The doors, the wardrobe doors as well, have all been trimmed slightly, so that they can be refitted, fit them back. Just one more door here to cut, and then this area will be done. So yeah, all these floors have been grouted. Check. These 2 bedrooms have been grouted. Check. So guys, this is the color that the customer has chosen, and today we are going to start putting some paint down. So we're using this paint by Harris Paint, which is the local paint supplier on the island. This color is called Coconut Crumble, and this is what we'll be using. So we'll be using this color throughout the house. And we've started off here with this room. This is one of the bedrooms. As you can see, this is 1 coat of paint on this room. The paint does cover very, very well. And this is the utility room, which I'm just in the middle of painting right now. And this is the wall that I built, as you can see in front of us. And yeah, it's come out really well with the paint. Just a little bit more cutting in to do here, and just a bit at the top, and this room will be done. Some more columns are being painted in the living room. So once this living room ceiling and columns is done, then we can start painting this room. So this is the 3rd room that we're going to be painting today. We're trying to get 1 coat on 3 rooms today, amongst other things. But as you can see, one of our guys here is painting this room. So just going to shoot back to the other house. This is where I've been most of the day. I've been putting up some curtain rails, which you can see I've done here, just sort of to give a bit of privacy so the customers can use the room. This is one of the rooms, and this is the 2nd room. So sort of 2 different color themes here, cream and orange, and a green, light green and a dark green. And it's looking good. So this is as far as I got with the this side of the house. So just back to this house to show you what has been done at the end of the day. This ceiling is completed. The last things, the guys had just started moving into the hallway stroke living room. This room has been done, which is only 1 coat, by the way. You would swear this is 2 coats when you look at this paint, but this is 1 coat in here. And as I said, they've just started moving into the living room. Also got one coat on this room here. It's all dried and it's looking good. Tomorrow we'll get onto a second coat with all these areas, as well as probably getting the first coat into the hallway stroke living room as well. And the utility room, we have given it one coat as well. So far the rooms are looking really good. Massive transformation from the original rooms. The kitchen ceiling and beams have also been painted, so these will be the last room to be done, the kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick update just to keep you guys in the loop and show you how we've been doing the last 4 days. So let us know what you think of the progress, and we'll see you in the next one.